Greetings everyone, this is Mr. Mullen. This is a podcast showing you how you can back up your OneNote files so that you don't lose those. And so let's go ahead and get started. So when you go to OneNote, you're going to see all of your notebooks. And so the first thing I'm going to want to do is click on File. And I'm going to want to make sure all of my notebooks, if you notice here, it shows a location and it's going to say SkyDrive. As long as your notebooks are on the SkyDrive, they are already backed up. Even if this computer gets wiped out, you will always have those. You need to be concerned if you see something like, you can see my notebook here, this is actually on my computer, it's on the C drive. And so if you have any notebooks that you want to back up that are on your computer, you're going to have to go to Settings and Share or Move. And you're going to share or move them, give it a new name, whatever you want to name here. And so my notebook backup. And you're going to share it to your OneDrive. So you're going to move to OneNote, it's going to save it onto OneDrive, and then they'll be there. Now as long as your notebooks are all on the OneDrive, then that means, or the SkyDrive or OneDrive depending, that means that your notebook is backed up and in the cloud. Okay, once you've done that, you can go to this link and you can actually see all of those files. So if I go to an Internet Explorer and I go to onenote.com, it's going to take me to Microsoft OneNote's homepage. And you can do this from any computer. So as long as you've synced up everything, you sign in, onenote.com, so now we're into our live. You're going to see all of your notebooks. So I click on Honors Chemistry, and this is from any computer. You're going to see just like you normally see with your tablet, and you can actually view all of your old notes and worksheets and everything right there in your web browser. And so you can do a lot of stuff right in here. Okay. So this is going to be the first thing. You want to make sure everything's synced up. These are available. The next thing you're going to want to do is take the notebooks that you want and back them up and export them so that you have them as a file just in case. So go down to Export, and we're going to click on Notebook, and we're going to save our various notebooks as a OneNote package, so that worst comes to worst, you can go back and unpack those notebooks. So you can save this on a flash drive, you can save this on your OneDrive, maybe make a folder called Flash Backup. And you're going to want to export each one of your notebooks so that you have a backup of those. And so you feel free to do that. The last thing I'm going to recommend is if you want kind of a handy printout or a section or something, you don't want to use the whole OneNote Online business, you can always take an individual part of your notebook. Let's say I want to go to my Honors Chem notes, and we took some notes. And so if I go to File, Export, you can export that page, the section, or the entire notebook. So let's say I do section, and I want to put it into a PDF I can read, or a Word document. So you can click on those, and OneNote will take that. Let's put this on my desktop right now. And so it'll take whatever page or section or notebook, and it will take all of those pages and put them into a PDF file or a Word document, which you can access from any other program or any other computer. So I just want to show you what this would look like once this comes up here. So there's my history of the atom. And it will take, in this case I had 60 pages worth of stuff, all of those things, and put them into a nice PDF or Word doc or whatever you choose. So these are some different ways that you can back up your OneNote, and I hope this was helpful.